If you're a Kia Sportage owner and your alarm's gone silent, don't panic. Sometimes the fix is easier than you think. Here's what to do if your car alarm isn't working. First, check your key fob battery. A weak or dead battery is one of the most common reasons your alarm won't work. Simply replace it. Most hardware stores carry the right type. Next, make sure your door's hood and trunk are fully closed. The alarm system needs all entry points to be properly shut to activate. Still no luck? Try resetting your car's electronics. Disconnect the negative terminal of your car's battery for about 5 minutes, then reconnect. This can reset the alarm system and fix minor glitches. If your alarm is still non-responsive, check the car's fuse box for a blown fuse related to the alarm or central locking system. Your manual will show you which fuse to look for. Replace any blown fuses with one of the same rating. Finally, if nothing works, it might be time to visit a professional. Alarm issues could point to a deeper electrical problem. Remember, don't let a stubborn alarm ruin your day. With these quick steps, you might just save yourself a trip to the mechanic.